Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start lesson number 2, the noun. Dear children, you might have noticed at home when your mother makes a vegetable at home for the dinner or for lunch, whatever. She needs so many ingredients for that. She needs the kind of vegetables, different kinds of spices like salt, chili, then turmeric, coriander powder. All these different ingredients are needed. She needs oil for that, isn't it? So mixing different ingredients, she is making a vegetable. For example, making biryani. We need different kinds of ingredients. We need meat, we need rice, number of spices we need. Clear? The same way for forming a sentence also we need different kinds of words. In the previous chapter you studied that sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sentence. Now how do we form a sentence? We form a sentence using different kinds of words in that. Clear? What are those words? So, there are, in English, there are 8 parts of speech. Clear? There are 8 parts of speech. What are they? Noun, pronoun, then verb, then adverb, then adjective, then preposition, then conjunction, and the last one is interjection. Clear? Interjection. These all are the different ingredients for forming a sentence. Clear? As I gave you the example, as for making vegetable we need different kinds of ingredients. The same way for forming a sentence we need different kinds of words. And in English there are 8 parts of speech which are used for forming a sentence. Clear? I'll write an example here to make you understand. I write here, Rohan is a good boy. Rohan is a good boy. Now we can see it's a sentence because it is a group of words and are giving a complete sense. These group of words makes a complete sense, so it's a sentence. Here we can see the different kinds of words we can see here. Rohan is a noun. Is a verb. A is an article. Good is an adjective. Boy is a noun. Clear? So here we can see the different kinds of words are used to form a sentence. Okay. In today's class, we are going to study about the first part of speech, that is noun. We are going to discuss about noun. What is a noun and what are the different types of nouns? A noun is a name of person. What it is? Noun is a name of person, name of animal or birds, name of place, then name of thing, then name of feeling, idea or state of mind. Clear? Or another one is state of mind. I'm writing here. Clear? State of mind. Now I'll give you the example how. For example, the name of person can be Rohan or Mohan, Reena, whatever. Clear? Name of animal, we can say dog. Name of place, we can say Delhi. Name of thing, we can say pen. Name of feeling can be pain. Clear? Pain. Then name of idea, it can be beauty. It can be beauty, we cannot see it, it's just an idea. Then state of mind can be happiness. So dear children, all these are the nouns. Noun is a name of person, place, animal, things, then feelings, ideas, or the state of mind. Clear? So we know that whatever, if you are sitting inside your room, if you look around, you can see many things. Clear? Here I can see chalk, I can see duster, I can see my board here, isn't it? I can see my mobile in front of me. So all these things are given a name. Clear? In a simple words, we can say all the naming words are called nouns. Each and everything is given a name. So all the naming words are called nouns. Clear? So nouns can be the names of persons, places, animals, things, feelings, ideas, or state of mind. Now let's discuss about the different kinds of nouns. Clear? Okay, let's see the different kinds of nouns. The different kinds of nouns are proper nouns, then common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. Step by step we'll study them. Let us discuss about proper nouns first of all. Proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, or thing. The name given to a particular person, place, or thing. For example, I say sentence, India is my motherland. India is my motherland. Here we can see the word India. It's the name of a country. It's the name of a particular country. All other countries are not given the same name. A particular country, our nation is given this name. Clear? So India is a proper noun. It's the name of a country. Country can be common noun. Clear? To any nation we can say country. But India is a proper noun because it is a particular name of our nation, of our country. Okay, another example I say, the Bible is a holy book. If I say, the Bible is a holy book. There are many holy books, but particular holy book is given the name Bible. Clear? So, Bible is a particular name of a holy book, so it's a proper noun. Clear? Dear children, a proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Clear?